Hey everyone, welcome back to Lead Coach in Java. So from today in our channel, we are gonna post different types of interview experiences from various companies so that we could prepare for interviews in real time. So today I'll be sharing the real and detailed experience of someone who recently cracked the Google software engineer role. So let's dive into the entire process for the university graduate role 2024. So the application process started by applying through the Google's Careers portal using a referral on September, and approximately after a month, the HR representative from the company has contacted the person and scheduled the interviews, but it was a bit late, and the interviews were scheduled on the February at last, and the offer was received as June. So approximately, it's a more than 6 months of process happened here. It might vary. Whereas in first round, we'll only be having the whole technical, which is happening for 45 minutes, where we'll be given a single lead code problem based on any data structure and also some follow-ups where we could be able to explain along with their complexities of our code. So, so the first round of the interview consisted of a medium level coding question on graphs. So mainly it focuses on something concept like number of connected components problem, a very standard problem on lead code, but a little variation of that. So it is asked to code upon a shared Google Docs so that you have to must and should write on your code and also mention the space and time complexities. And you may also face many follow-up questions based on your code. So be confident in that. So coming to second round, we'll also be given one coding question, which is to be solved in 45 minutes. And also you'll be having extra 15 minutes where you'll be having asked about some behavioral questions, which in Google we term it as a Googliness round as well. So these two sections of round will happen continuously in a single interview sitting. And coming to third round, here we have a simple question of array where we'll have to find the duplicate element from the array, but gradually the difficulty of the question based on the follow-ups have increased and also encountered another question regarding the recursion. And the performance of from the both rounds is actually strongly higher, and the final result is also the selected. So based on these experience, we can focus on graphs, dynamic programming, and recursion as well. And mostly Google focuses on advanced data structures only. So also while giving the code, you must write a clean code, and you have also communicate in a very proper way. You should mention the time and space complexities of your specified code, and you must know how to dry run your code with the input the interviewer has given to you. So prepare well and don't forget to subscribe. Please give a like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more such videos. Thank you.